As a new pre-stressed concrete track beam, the U-shaped beam has the novel and advanced construction manufacturing process and the obvious advantage in overall performances when being compared with an ordinary box beam. The U-shaped beam has the characteristics of low building height, low noise reduction effect, high section space utilization rate, traffic safety, and beautiful appearance. Thus, the U-shaped beam will become the main structural style in future urban traffic construction. Shandong Boyoun Heavy Industries Company Limited, directed by Industrial Development, perseveres in the characteristic strategy of providing the integrated solution of expert-level road and bridge construction equipment for clients, and has designed the Boyoun U-shaped beam prefabricated template system through many years of professional skills. The system is simple in design and formed once, and thus the U-shaped beam can be efficiently prefabricated, and the construction efficiency is increased by 50% when being compared with that of the traditional process. And the construction scheme provided by the video will be used as a reference. 1. Substructure construction. Arrange according to the general drawing of the route. Drill and excavate pile wells in the appointed pile position. Hoist reinforced steel bar keels and pour concrete to initial set strength. Evacuate bearing platforms, bind bearing platform reinforcing steel bars, install bearing platform templates, and pour bearing platform concrete. Bind pier body reinforcing steel bars and gradually construct piers to complete construction of the substructure. 2. U-shaped beam prefabrication construction. Level the yard and arrange beam yard pedestals and other facilities. According to design requirements, gradually assemble bottom dies and external dies. Hoist reinforcing bar cages to the place. Install inner dies, end dies, and working platforms. After template assembling, check the template size. Pour the concrete by pumping. Upon the concrete reaches design strength, start the inner die hydraulic system. Remove the whole inner die and move the temperature inner die storage region. And then remove the end die and the external die. Install stretch draw jacks, start control platforms. Gradually complete beam pre-stress tension. After the concrete reaches the specified strength, hoist the U-shaped beam to the storage region and nurse and store it. Reset the U-shaped beam formwork to the prefabricated position by a portal crane and prepare to prefabricate the next template. Finally, complete prefabrication of all U-shaped beams. 3. U-shaped beam erection construction. Transport the U-shaped beams to the erect position by a special transporting girder vehicle. Slowly lift the U-shaped beams to the pier top by a crawler-type hoisting equipment. Adjust the beams to the place and complete anchoring. In sequence, hoist all U-shaped beams and gradually complete route erection. Take Boyoun. Take the safety, the quality. Boyoun Heavy Industries specially provides the integrated construction solution of the bridge equipment.